Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how I prepare Ghana redfish light soup with jumbo mushrooms and plantain fufu. So if you want to know how I prepare this soup, please stay tuned and I'll see you next time for another recipe. So I have got some onions, some scotch bonnet peppers, some garlic cloves, some fresh ginger, and I have also diced onions. And these are my jumbo oyster mushrooms and 2 garden eggs. I'm also going to use some plum tomatoes. I'll be adding some tomato puree or tomato paste. I'm also going to use some water. And here I have washed and cleaned my fish already, and this is red fish, but you can use any fish you like. And later on I'm going to add some smoked haddock fish. So I'm going to add some salt to my fish, and then I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning, and this is from the brand Asian. They've got some amazing spices, so please go and check them out. Then I'm going to add some fish seasoning and blend my pepper, ginger, garlic and scotch bonnet with a cup of water and add it to my fish. So basically it is the plate I showed you in the beginning, so I blended everything except the diced onion. Next I am going to add some tomato puree or tomato paste as you call it, and then I am going to rinse the blender with about half a cup of water. Next I am going to add in my diced onion, and I am going to add in my garden eggs or eggplant as you call it. Next I am just going to give it a little shake, cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes on high heat. So this is how my soup looks like after 5 minutes. I'm just gently stirring it. And then I left it for a further 1 minute. And now I am going to remove the garden eggs from it and add it to my tomato and blend it. So just the tomato and the garden eggs. After blending it, I am going to pour it into my soup. So just as you see it here. And then since it's light soup, I'm going to add water. So I'm going to add about 2 liters and a little bit more. So this is how it looks like now. And then in the meantime, I also cut my jumbo mushrooms in 2 and adding them in the soup. I'm just going to give it a gentle stir, cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is how the soup looks like now, and it smells amazing. So now I am going to add my smoked haddock. I always add it towards the end. Then add a bit more salt to it. Then I'm gonna add some crayfish seasoning, but you can still use the fish one if you have. Stir it gently, and then I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes uncovered. And here is your redfish light soup, looking amazing. And you notice that some oil will pop up on top and it will indicate that your soup is ready. So I'm going to enjoy it with some fufu. This is some plantain fufu, and I am now getting it ready. This soup is very easy to prepare. It tastes amazing, especially if you are a fish lover just like me. I'm sure you are going to love it. So to finish it off, I am going to add some OKROs, but you don't have to if you do not like it. And this is it. This is my red fish light soup with my fufu. And this is the end of the recipe, so I'd like to thank everyone for watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you're going to try it. If you do, please let me know, and I'll see you next time for another recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and God bless you all. Bye bye.